Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve SAT Digital Practice Test 1 Math Section 1. Okay, now we get number 4 here. The function g is defined by gx is equal to x squared plus 9. Maybe let's write that first. We will have gx is equal to x squared plus 9. And then what's next? For which value of x is gx is 25. So the gx here is 25. Maybe let's just write 25 there. And that will equal to the right hand side here, which is still x squared plus 9. And then to solve this, we can subtract both sides by 9. So let's write that. So we have 25 minus 9 is equal to x squared plus 9 minus 9. 9 and 9, that will be 0. And we will have x squared remaining on the right hand side. 25 minus 9, that will be 16 on the left hand side. Or to make it more easier to read, I will have x squared is equal to 16. Okay, now we can take the square root of 16 to get the x. However, there are two possible answers here, which is plus minus the square root of 16. And the square root of 16 is 4, so our x will be plus and minus 4. The x can be equal to 4 or the x can be equal to minus 4, depending on which choice available. However, only the x is equal 4 is available for this problem. Therefore, the answer is the option A. So the answer is A for this problem. Okay, I think that's all for this problem. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.